Hello and welcome to the Pizza Kitchen. I'm your host Brian Hernandez, and today we're going to feature a New York style pizza recipe sent to me by my good friend, my BFF, the Edward to my Jacob, Mr. Tom DeGrezia. What can you say about New York pizza? It's got to have a few characteristics. It's got to be large. It's got to be a thinner crust, big slices, and you got to be able to fold it. So without further ado, let's dive right into this recipe. For this pie, we're going to need an 18-ounce dough ball, red, yellow, and orange peppers, a sweet onion, sweet fennel sausage, mozzarella cheese, red sauce, olive oil, white cooking wine, and salt and pepper to taste. Begin by sauteing your peppers and onion in some olive oil and white wine while adding some salt and pepper to bring out the flavors. Next, begin partially cooking your sausage. Then coin chop some slices for your pie. Make them as thick or as thin as you desire. All right, so now we have all of our prep work done. We've sauteed our peppers and our onions. We've par-baked our sausage and coin chopped it. I don't like the thick coins, just the small coins, maybe even some of those little bit coins. You see what I did there? I'm current and topical. So the next thing we need to do is start making this pizza. Spread your red sauce over the whole pie, then add your cheese evenly. Begin adding the lovely rainbow flavor that is your pepper onion saute mix. Follow that by adding the sweet fennel sausage. I always like to brush my crust with some olive oil for a nice brown and bubbly finish. Bake your pie at 550 degrees for about 7 to 10 minutes or until that crust is the golden brown of pizza perfection. Well, there you have it, folks. A beautiful New York style pizza, simple ingredients. This one I like to call the DeGrezia. So as always, the best part of this job is after we make these things, I get to taste them and tell you what it's like. So I'm just gonna jump right in, man, because this thing, you can just smell all the peppers and the onions and the sausage coming off. So I'm gonna grab one of my slices here. Look at that. We got ourselves a nice, beautiful New York slice. You can see that, right, Daniel? Some nice cook underneath, some really firm crust on the side. Great ingredients. We're gonna fold this guy. New York slice. Salud, manja. Okay, the flavors on this one are great. They blend so well together. You have the sweet fennel sausage. It's got a lot of that savory in it, but it's also offset by the sweetness of all the peppers, the oranges, the reds, the yellows, and of course the sweet onion. We used our hand-crushed tomato sauce on here and some mozzarella cheese. We were very light on the mozzarella. You can go heavier if you like, but I think this combination is a perfect blend and it's gonna be a winner in your home or your restaurant. Well, that's all the time we have in the Pizza Kitchen today, folks. I'm your host, Brian Hernandez. I want to thank you guys so much for joining us. I also want to thank my good friend, Tom DeGrezia, for this nice slice from the Big Apple. I hope you guys try it out in your homes and your restaurants. It's sure to please everyone. I'll see you guys next time in the Pizza Kitchen, but until then, keep those ovens lit.